2004, 1997 Ethiopian Calendar. I was working at a hairdresser in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. That's when I first meet Biniyam. He was by far always the coolest guy in the salon. He was extremely funny, hardworking and very kind and generous person. He always had time for everyone around him. I also knew him as the gadget guy. He was always the first person to have the latest gadget, be it an iPod or the latest laptop. Way before YouTube reviews were a thing, he was the go-to guy for tech. But sadly, he has been hospitalized as both his kidneys have failed and is currently on dialysis. Biniyam needs support to fight this disease. We are asking for your help and assistance for him and his family. His wife and small 2 children need our help. All the money and savings the family had was spent on the medical expenses. He is currently at a government hospital waiting to undergo surgery to replace his kidneys, but there is 1,300 people in front of him awaiting organ transplant, so they are keeping him on dialysis for now. The dialysis currently costs £168 a month. Might not seem much, but this is extremely expensive in Ethiopia. The family has spent all they had as well as Biniyam's savings. Now that all is gone, he needs help to survive. If he doesn't get help and support, he won't be able to pay his hospital bill. This is too much for them to bear alone. If you would like to assist with their financial burden, any donation through GoFundMe would be immensely appreciated. Thank you in advance. Write to Biniyam H. Maryam Commercial Bank of Ethiopia 100296115634, country code 2519113596388, country code 2519126173222.